Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Discord.js tutorial. This is the third one, and this series is going to go by pretty fast by the pace of things. So I might even make a fourth channel just for Discord.js, but I think for now I'm going to keep it on the main channel just to keep everything in one spot, for now at least. So today we will be doing a meme command. So first off, I'm just going to quickly take a module.exports, and I'm going to just go ahead and take that. And if you really wanted to, you can go into your main directory. This isn't going to break your bot at all. You can just do module.exports module. I'll just name it module. And then I want to go into, do not put a JS, otherwise it might actually take it. So let's just copy this module.exports, pop it in there, put the two brackets, that one right there, that one here, and boom. You can have this as your module.exports, have that empty. And I'm actually also going to be covering aliases in this video. And aliases, they are very, very simple. So all you need to do for an alias is you want to go after your name and the comma, you want to go another one, you want to do aliases, and you want to go ahead, put a square bracket, quotes, single quotes, backticks, whatever you need to use, and then alias name. So I'm going to leave that empty, but after the square brackets, you want to make sure it's like that. So this is the module.exports. I'm going to be going into here to copy and paste this into new things. So we're going to make a meme.js. This is just how you add a new command, and paste in our module.exports. So the name is going to be meme, and just to test out the aliases, we can go ahead and make an alias m. If you want multiple aliases, like let's say you want to make this memes, I don't know, or let's just say you want to make this a fun command or something, right? Then you just add a comma between each and every alias, and then a comma at the very end. So I'm just gonna go into here, and for the meme commands, you are going to require a package. So let's go into the console right here, and let's do npmi or install got. It should be installing now, and it should work perfectly well now. So you do want to define your got command. So I'm gonna quickly go into the main.js, or the index.js rather, and I'm going to define got here. Const got equals require, and then got. And we're just gonna go ahead, take this and copy this right into the meme.js. Const got equals require got. So now here we're gonna be doing an embed. So what you want to do, you want to do const embed equals new discord.message embed. And once you have this, you want to go another one, you want to press enter, you want to actually press backspace. I just format it like this, but then you want to do got. Then you want to find whatever subreddit or thing that you're pulling it from. I use Reddit because that has the best memes, right? So I'm going to do https://www.reddit.com/r/dank_memes. That is a good meme subreddit. You can make it family friendly memes, whatever. But then you also want to do /random and then another slash and then .json. And then after the parentheses, you want to do .then, and then response, and then arrow function, open it up with brackets, and you want to do let. We're going to be defining our variables with let content equals json.parse response.body. Now you can go ahead and put a semicolon after that. Now you're also going to want to just go ahead and do let permalink equals content, then a 0 after in the square brackets, and then a .data.children, and then you want to go another square brackets, another 0, and then you want to do .data.permalink. Now you want to do let meme URL equals https reddit.com, and then you want to do a $, brackets, and you want to go ahead and put in permalink. So remember how in the other tutorials I was telling you how sometimes you're going to need backticks and sometimes you're going to need single quotes? When you have like a $, and then brackets, you always want to make sure that you're using backticks for that. A semicolon, we're going to go let meme image equals content 0 dot data dot children dot, well, another bracket 0 dot data dot URL. This is just pulling all the information that we're going to need for the for the meme that we're going to be displaying. So this auto-filled to meme URL. I do not want it to. So data.url, and just copy and paste. I am going to recommend that you copy that real quick. And what you want to do, you want to go to let meme title equals and then you want to just paste it. And instead of .url, you want to do .title. And then you're going to do, let's just undo that quickly. You want to do let meme upvotes equals, I mean, this is if you want to display the upvotes. You do not have to display the upvotes if you just want the meme. So then you want to go .ups, and then let meme downvotes equals, and then you just want to go downs. And all these npm packages like got make everything super easy to do. So then you want to do let meme num comments, the number of comments on the meme. You want to do, this is basically like dank memer, by the way. And then you want to do data / num underscore comments. Now you want to go ahead and do embed.set title and then a backtick. And you want to make sure you have the $ and the brackets for every one of these now. Meme title. So I'm going to quickly just copy this embed. I'm going to copy what's inside. I'm going to copy the brackets. Let me just, boom. And then you want to do embed.set URL backtick. And then instead of meme title, we're going to do meme URL. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and do that for myself, and there we go. And then you want to do embed.set image meme image. This one you don't need to worry about backticks because it's not actually anything you're putting in quotes. Embed.set color, and then you want to go random, or you can make it one color the entire time if you want using the embeds that I showed you in the last video. And then you want to do embed.set footer, and then you want to do a backtick, and you're going to want to search up like an emoji thing. You're going to want to go like Emojipedia, and you want to search up like up. You can do a thumbs up. I think I'm going to go ahead and do an upvote kind of button if they have it. An upwards button. Yeah, sure. Let's go for the upwards button. No, you know what? Let's just do thumbs up. Thumbs up, and copy, and just put that in there, and then you want to do the $ brackets, meme upvotes, and then let's go and get the downvotes quickly. So down should get a thumbs down. Click copy, put it into Visual Studio Code, down, and then you want to do meme downvotes. You can press tab to autofill, and then let's find like a message for the comments, I guess. Envelope, speech balloon, that should work for the comments. So let's go here, speech balloon, and you want to do a $, and then meme num comments. And here you're gonna have that. So So then you can just go ahead and do that. If you want, you can put anything here that you want, like bot coded by, if you really want that. But this is basically the general gist of your meme command. Then what you want to do, you want to go to at the very end, message.channel.send embed. And that makes it extremely easy to do it. So Control KS and then Control C clear node space dot, and it should say tutorial bot is online. Let's quickly go into the tutorial Discord, and we're just gonna test out the meme command. Seems like it did not work. Response is not defined. Respond. Oh, let me quickly find what's wrong with this. Ah, I see what's wrong. This is response. It's gonna have to be response. I made a spelling error there. Control C clear node space dot, and you want to just go ahead and do dash meme. And now it says that, it's not actually. Oh, it's saying meme URL is not defined. Let meme URL equal backtick https reddit.com permalink backtick. It should work perfectly fine. Meme URL. Let's see if anything else works. Okay, let's just try URL. No, not copy, not caps. Let ABC. See, I don't know why that one's not working then. Let's see what the issue might be. Let's see if moving it into a different spot works. Let's go down here. Let's do let meme URL. Oh, there we go. Somehow that worked. Oh, it's because I see why it was, because this was capital and that was not. Okay, that makes sense. That can be wherever. I will put it back up here, and file, save all, Control C, node space dot. Then we want to just, okay, tutorial bot is online. Let's go to Discord and dash meme. Yep, it looks like it's working. So, and if it's a GIF, it's going to make it moving too. So as we can see, this has 0 downvotes, 1 comment, and 33 upvotes. So this can apply to any subreddit that you want it to go to. So if we just go, oh, and also the aliases, I want to show that. So dash M will work on this now, and dash fun will also work on this. So, well then. So what you want to do, if you want to make a new subreddit, like let's say I want it to be a rabbit.js, let's just go into here, we can do conscot and then rabbit, and then we can just make the alias bun. Then all you need to do to choose a different subreddit is just go here and click r/rabbits/random, and that's the only thing you need to change. So let's do Control C, Control clear, node space dot. Let's go dash bun. Okay, so it's not purely an image subreddit, so some of them might not actually like have images. This one's loading. That would be a my side issue. There we go. As you can see, now it's showing an animal. So what you can do is you can just go and search any subreddit you want here. You can do r/aw. You can do anything you want here and make the command name anything you want. So thank you for watching the third Discord.js tutorial on meme commands and aliases.